From school report cards to architectural blueprints, from family photographs to global newspaper headlines, the printer is one of the unsung heroes of the modern world. It turns digital dreams into tangible reality, bridging the ephemeral with the physical. In homes, offices, libraries, and factories, printers work quietly in the background. Yet without them, our ability to communicate, share, and preserve information would be profoundly diminished. We often overlook the humble printer, but behind each machine lies a lineage of innovation that spans centuries, empires, and revolutions. It is not merely a device, it is a vessel of knowledge, creativity, and progress. So how did we arrive at today's sleek, multifunctional printers? Let's take a deep dive into the fascinating centuries-long history of the printer, right here on History of Simple Things. Long before modern printers dotted desktops and office floors, the earliest ancestors of print technology were being carved and pressed by hand. As early as the Tang Dynasty in 7th century China, woodblock printing enabled the mass duplication of texts, each block painstakingly carved in reverse, then inked and pressed onto paper or cloth. This technique spread across East Asia, bringing with it an early form of mass communication. It was in this crucible of experimentation and craftsmanship that humanity first realized the power of reproducible information. But woodblocks had a critical limitation. Each page required its own carved block. The dream of a more dynamic, flexible system lingered, waiting for a visionary. That visionary emerged in 15th century Germany. Johannes Gutenberg, a goldsmith by trade, transformed communication with his invention of movable type printing around 1440. Using individual metal letters that could be rearranged and reused, Gutenberg's press made it possible to mass-produce books with unprecedented speed and accuracy. His invention, starting with the famed Gutenberg Bible, sparked a revolution in literacy and learning. No longer confined to the elite, knowledge could now spread widely and rapidly. The printing press became the catalyst for the Renaissance, the Reformation, and the Scientific Revolution, marking the true dawn of the modern information age. The centuries that followed saw the printer evolve from hand-operated machines to roaring industrial beasts. By the 19th century, the Industrial Revolution was in full swing, and with it came iron presses, steam-powered rollers, and an explosion of printed material. Innovations like the rotary press allowed for continuous high-speed printing, while offset lithography emerged as a new technique that improved image clarity and printing efficiency. Newspapers became daily staples, books became widely affordable, and political pamphlets fueled movements and revolutions. Printers, once symbols of scholarly work, were now instruments of mass influence. They printed the laws of nations, the blueprints of buildings, and the poetry of an evolving human experience. But as the world grew smaller through communication and trade, the tools of printing also needed to shrink. By the mid-20th century, computing was beginning to reshape how humans interacted with information. It was during this time that the first computer printers emerged, not the sleek machines we know today, but the clunky, loud, and reliable dot matrix printers of the 1960s and 70s. Using rows of pins to strike an ink ribbon and form characters, dot matrix printers were rugged and efficient, often found churning through endless reams of paper in government offices, labs, and early data centers. They weren't pretty, but they worked, and they marked the beginning of personal printing. As personal computers entered homes and schools, a new wave of printers emerged to meet the demand for better quality and quieter performance. Inkjet and laser printers arrived in the 1980s and 90s, transforming the industry. Inkjet technology used tiny droplets of ink for rich color and smooth gradients, while laser printers offered speed and sharpness by fusing toner with static electricity. Suddenly, desktop printers could rival professional publishing. Printing became personal, and the hum of a home printer was as familiar as a dial-up modem. It was the beginning of a new era, one where anyone could publish, create, and communicate from their own desk. By the turn of the millennium, the printer was no longer just a printer. It was a copier, a scanner, and a fax machine, a complete office in a box. Multifunction printers began to dominate homes and businesses alike, streamlining tasks and consolidating space. Wireless printing allowed users to send documents from phones and tablets. Cloud services meant you could print from halfway across the world. Print quality surged ahead while prices fell. Ink and toner systems became more efficient, and eco-conscious features like duplex printing and energy-saving modes became standard. Behind the plastic shell and LCD screen was a marvel of engineering, a culmination of decades of innovation driven by the human desire to preserve, produce, and present. And then came the next quantum leap: 3D printing. Here, the very idea of printing was redefined. No longer bound by flat pages or ink, 3D printers used materials like plastic, resin, and metal to create objects layer by layer. Originally conceived for prototyping, 3D printers now create prosthetics, mechanical parts, fashion items, and even edible creations. In classrooms, they spark curiosity. In factories, they speed up production. In hospitals, they save lives. The term printer expanded from a medium of ink to a means of creation, where digital files transformed directly into physical reality. This wasn't just evolution, it was alchemy. Yet, even in the age of screens and 3D objects, the traditional printer endures. That tactile experience of holding a freshly printed photo, the crisp feel of an official document, the permanence of ink on paper, these remain powerful. With AI-enhanced settings, encrypted connections, and cloud integration, they continue to adapt to our fast-paced digital lives. Even as we reduce our paper use, we still rely on printers to bridge the gap between the virtual and the real. Whether it's a boarding pass, a signed contract, or a piece of art, the printer continues to serve as the final step in turning intention into action. The history of the printer is a story of human progress, how we've captured and shared ideas through time. From carved woodblocks to 3D printed designs, printers have continually evolved. As long as we create and communicate, they will remain among our most essential tools. Thank you for watching. If you have suggestions for our next video, feel free to share them in the comments below. We'll be sure to give you an acknowledgement for your contribution. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the history of simple things. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more stories woven through the smallest details.